spray paint's pretty straightforward, right? You spray and it paints. Apply it directly to an item and you get a solid coat of color. Apply several colors to the surface of water first and you get a gorgeous marbled pattern. This technique is called hydro dipping. You'll need a large plastic container. This should be deep enough for you to fully submerge the item you want to marble. Protective gloves and several spray paint colors. I'm using Rust-Oleum's Heirloom White, Metallic Age Copper, Rustic Pink, Metallic Turquoise, and Solstice Blue. Clear coat protective spray and a drop cloth. You may also need painter's tape. First, fill the container with water. Spray each paint color onto the surface of the water in random places. Do this fairly quickly. You can spray 2 colors at a time to go even faster. Start dipping immediately as you don't want the paint to dry on the water's surface. For flat items, gently dip straight down into the water until it's fully submerged. If you do not want the back painted, use one hand to move the floating paint away so you can bring the item back out without coming into contact with more paint. For rounded surfaces, roll and move the item across the water so that it continues to be in contact with the paint as you slowly submerge it. If you want the back of the item painted as well, move it under the water until it is underneath more paint and then bring it back up. If there is any surface of your item that you absolutely don't want painted, cover that item with painter's tape before dipping. Once your items have fully dried, apply 2 coats of the clear coat protective spray over a drop cloth. On the fly, DIY.